Write a short note on controlling authority under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. The provision relating to the controlling authority is contained in Section 3 of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. The controlling authority plays an important role in the implementation and administration of the Act. According to Section 3 of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972, the appropriate government may by notification in the official gazette, appoint any officer as the controlling authority for the administration of the Act. The government may appoint one controlling authority for a particular area or different controlling authorities for different areas. The controlling authority is responsible for ensuring the proper implementation of the provisions of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. Functions of the controlling authority. The main functions of the controlling authority are to administer and enforce the provisions of the Act, to settle disputes relating to payment of gratuity, to conduct inquiries regarding gratuity claims, to determine the amount of gratuity payable, to direct employers to pay gratuity where due, to protect the rights of the employees under the Act. Purpose of the provision. The object of appointing a controlling authority is to ensure effective implementation of the Act, to provide a mechanism for resolving gratuity disputes, to safeguard the interest of the employees. Illustration. Suppose an employee retires after completing the required years of service, but the employer refuses to pay gratuity. The employee may approach the controlling authority appointed under Section 3 of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972, which can inquire into the matter and direct payment of gratuity. Conclusion. Thus, the controlling authority under Section 3 of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 is the officer appointed by the appropriate government to administer the Act and resolve disputes relating to gratuity payments.